Hi guys, and welcome to another episode of JDM Masters, and on today's episode we have the FK8 in a secret test facility, and this is actually a really rare opportunity to see how a top tuner like Spoon does their development, and we're going to be checking out their behind the scenes test and development procedures, and they take it to the test track, so come join us. Now, in the development of any kind of parts, whether it's the auto manufacturer testing parts with a new car, or aftermarket, such a tuner like Spoon, and of course there are many various other JDM classic tuners, and even the suspension makers, they all have to do a very important task called R&D. Research and development is an important step in not just designing the thing, but you have to check whether those parts are fit their specifications and the intended design that goes on with the engineering. Now, of course, the one important thing in developing parts is testing, and that's the reason why we're here at the test track. Actually, it's Sodegara test track, which is not too far away from Tokyo, just about an hour's drive, and it's a very small facility which is suitable for handling course. And today's development is actually on the new suspension set. Now, what you see behind me is the FK8 Civic Type R, and this is this demo car which already has various different parts like the bumper and the rear wing and the rear bumper, and it's been increased in power from the Honda data system, but without power, without control, power is nothing. And the very important point, especially in a 300 over horsepower modern front-wheel drive car, even with its electronic controls, if the base, the chassis, and particularly the suspension cannot handle that extra power, or even just to increase the handling feel according to how the tuner like Spoon wants to the car to handle for the particular road or the circuit course, it's very important to do trial and error and testing, which is why we're here today. And we're going to be speaking to R&D and PR manager Jomoto-san, who's appeared with us in previous episodes. So this is like an ongoing thing. It's interesting to see, and we're very privileged to have that opportunity to come in with them behind the scenes to see how they actually develop these cars, and to see what kind of parts that they use and what the steps that they go through. So let's bring him on. So we're here again with Jomoto-san. Thank you for inviting me.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Yeah. This is very, very interesting because, yeah, it's behind the scenes. Why do we do development and test? なんでですか？
製品を作るためのテストを僕らはいつもやってます。でもその製品、スプーンの製品っていうのは最後は乗ってる人がわ楽しいなってあとは笑顔になれる。それが目的。
It's not just speed. It's not just fast lap times.
だって速く走るのは、レーシングドライバーがやればいいじゃん。
That's very true. That's very true.
レーシングドライバーのそれは仕事。
That's true.
だけど普通のねカスタマーは何がやりたい？楽しく走ることが一つでしょ。
That's very interesting. Something that most people forget. In choosing parts, people always feel, I want to be faster. I just want to be faster. But maybe the car is very difficult to drive. And the standard FK8 is quite a difficult car to drive. Now, compared to the renewed EK9 over there, which I did for GT channel, I have the same car. This is very, very fun. The fun is 20% more. So, is it the same for this?
速く走ることも楽しい一つ。
Right.
だけど速く走るためにシリアスになったら楽しくなくなっちゃうでしょ。スプーンのパーツは速くなるよ。速くなるけどそれだけじゃない。だって楽しくならなかったらやる意味がないじゃん。
The purpose to drive a sports car is gone because you want to have that feeling when you come back. Just smile uncontrollably, right?
そう。だからレーシングカーじゃない。Not racing car.
It's true. Right.
Sports.
Sports equals fun equals fun. So has this always been Spoon's philosophy from the very beginning?
Yes.
Ichishima-san's principle is just to not only make cars fast, but stability and control, so you feel more confident. That's what I feel. So how do you do it? How do you do the adjustments and test in this development?
まずとにかくステーブル。こう急に動くとか、そういうことが起きない。それって、耐久レースと一緒。耐久レースってクオリファイとかスプリントレースと違って、いつもリラックスしながらドライブできる。そうすることで、フィニッシュしやすくなるし、あとはコースアウトしちゃったらもうそれで終わりでしょ。
I absolutely agree. I've driven Taikyu race before long ago, and the most important thing is if the car is not relaxed and it gives you all kind of vibrations, it gives body stress. It's very hard to keep the same. It's not rally cars are the same. It's actually impossible to drive.
だからこのスプーンの車のフィーリングってラリーカーに近い。
Oh, is that right?
いや、だってラリーカーってすごくバンピーだったりね。そうだけど結構ステーブルでしょ、車は。
Yes, it is.
だからそういうコンセプトに近いところで作ってるから、だからレーストラックもそう、あとはストリートもそう、いろんなところに行ってもいつもリラックス。だから楽しいファン。
Okay, so here's an important question. This stock or the normal FK8 Civic Type R is it very stiff? Quite hard? What do you at Spoon? What do you feel? Or that's why you can improve.
Too much power でしょ。
Right.
をエレクトリックコントロールで運転ができるだけ。だけど速いし楽しいファンもある。でも僕らはもっともっと楽しくしたい。
So you guys think that the car is already quite well made, but in order to use the power, もうパワー使い切れるために、more fun できるこのセッティングですか。
だからタイヤ20インチなんていらない。
Oh yeah, so I noticed it's reduced to 1980.
18
It's 18 inch. Yeah, but because it's black, it doesn't look so bad. It's
そう
actually I think it looks better. It looks better.
タイヤもハイトが出てくる。そうするとエアボリュームもあるから、
Yes.
コントロールもしやすくなる。
Particularly for FK8.
そうそうだから18インチが FK8 にはベスト。
That's very interesting.
そうだからインチアップがチューンアップじゃない。
That's true. This is something that a lot of people don't realize. A lot of people have the thinking that higher or lower profile tire give better grip, but it's actually very, very stiff.
でコントロールの幅も狭くなる。
Right. Very
まあ
edgy.
ダイレクトだけどね。
Yeah.
でもダイレクトだからいいじゃない。
It's not linear.
そう
So tell me about the development of this new suspension. What is the product this time? Is it a full adjustment suspension?
これは、ライドハイトは、フルアジャストじゃない。
Oh, okay.
ネジ式っていう
Fixed type.
そう
Okay, so this is fixed type development suspension.
だけど、ダンパーフォースが3 way
I see.
の、バンプスピードの、ハイスピードロースピードそれからリバンプ、この3つを調整できるタイプ。
Okay, so like for comfort, more sporty, and then maybe you can use for track also. It's enough. I mean, a full adjustable coilover suspension is very good, but most normal people don't know how to adjust the suspension.
だからライドハイトは調整できるでしょ。
Right.
だからライドハイトの、アジャストメントとあとはもうダンパーフォースでもうこの車は十分。
Ah, okay.
でも3 way だからものすごくセッティングは難しいけどでももうレコメンドのダンパーフォースも今日のテストで見つけられたからもうこれであとはカスタマーがちょっとアジャストすれば好きな
I see. That's why there's a lot of all this effort to do the development and the testing. So the racing drivers go out. In every round, you get the feedback. All this data is collected, so you can choose the right 3 settings. So it's easier for the customer.
そうそうそう
I mean, if you have a full adjustment, actually there's not much testing because the customer can adjust it anyway. There's more research and development for fixed type or low adjustment. That's very interesting. So this product will be available soon in the market for FK8 owners. Is there any more potential for the FK8's development? Do you need more power than 360 horsepower? What's the current power level on this?
今ね400馬力ある。
It's 400 horsepower.
Yes.
Does it need a stronger LSD?
LSD も必要。
Definitely.
これはもう入ってるし。
Ah, okay.
だからこういう GT ウィングだったりバンパーだったりそういういろんな部品がついてるけどそれは必要だから、
Yeah. I see.
必要さファンクションとしての僕らが必要だから作ったもの
Interesting.
でもそれは結局安心してドライブ、壊れる車ってドライブするのってシリアスでしょ
Yes. It's true. That's
でしょ
true.
だからオーバーヒートしないように大きなグリルの、フロントバンパーそれから、高速コーナーで安定するリアウィングでドラッグを減らすためのリアバンパー
Right.
だから全てに理由があってスプーンの製品は出来上がって
Interesting. So it's always a total package.
Yes.
for Spoon. But this time, I mean, like setting up the damper is an important part for drivers to feel directly fun. That's the first thing you can feel. Even if you don't change the power, you don't change anything, but only changing the damper and some settings, it feels different.
もうだから
Yeah.
ダンパーはエレクトリカルダンパーをキャンセルしてるから
Ah, yes, because the standard car has electric damper. You get back to a mechanical, so it gives a little bit analog feel.
そうだからコーナーでロールもするしだからストックの FK8 ってロールしてる感じがないでしょ
Right. Yes, yes, yes.
コーナーのアウトサイドのダンパーフォースを高めてでロールをしない。だけど
I see.
今だったらちゃんとこれをロールをして、フィーリングもドライバーがロールをしてるからこうナチュラルに
Interesting. Interesting.
曲がる。
So basically, it's to give the more analog feeling. Going back to the
so
older style of 5R. It's not a downgrade. It's more like an upgrade of feeling.
アナログがダメなんじゃなくて、
Yeah.
アナログの良さをちゃんと生かそうっていうそういうダンパー、それがスポーツドライビングだからレーシングじゃなくてスポーツだから。
Right. Very, very different.
Yes.
Thank you for that. I think we understand clearer now.
Yeah.
That a lot of technology is not always the way forward. You don't want to take out that sports and fun feeling, which is very important. That's why we all love cars. We love driving sports cars.
Yes.
So on today's test, it's track day.
Yeah.
So we hope you've enjoyed our real program and how a maker like Spoon develops parts and the purpose of that. And it was a really great opportunity to see today, just in depth and just that philosophy in making of parts. It's not always as simple as it seems. There's always a certain purpose for certain parts that are made, but it's always very useful to understand what you want in a car. And no matter what it is, an old JDM car, a modern JDM car, or a European car, if you want to make certain settings or differences and to actually change the way it feels. It's very interesting to see that they're still, putting their philosophy but matching to the times of modern cars. So let us know in the comments what other cars you'd like us to test. Maybe we can take this FK8 out for a test and do a full review on it after the suspension settings are done. So until next time, peace out.